shipping. Things are shipping up here. All right, this one is a cutie. This one is a cutie. All right, so the walls are getting ready to go up, but this is one of those builders where you really get to design and you get to make a lot of choices. And so right before the walls will go in, my client will meet back with the builder and to make sure that they don't want to add any customizations in the electrical. Isn't she a cutie? She's a swing car garage, like all on one floor. Oh, I love how they have this little netting so that you don't. She's very attractive elevation, swing car garage. They got all of that sheetrock loaded there, right? Because that's what they're going to use to get these walls up. All right, but remember, they got all this sheetrock ready to go. But again, we have to decide if we want to make any more customizations in the electrical. Like with this builder, if you know you have electrical equipment you're going to be plugging in certain places and you want to get additional plugs, things like that, anything electrical concerning, they will allow you to customize that. So they have to do that before they put the walls on, right? Before they put the sheetrock on. So that's going to be up next, right? So they'll be past all of that mechanical. They got to get all the mechanicals, all the wiring before they put the walls on. But really great floor plan, right? This is the type of floor plan. It can be a 4-3. You can build it as a 4-3. You could use, or you could make it a 3-bedroom home and use one of the bedrooms as an office. You can do a media room. You can do a formal dining. It's so many configurations to this one, right? But as you see, this one is a bedroom. We'll have our bath there. Bath number 1. This one has 3 baths. Got a great family room. Right, there's that fireplace in that corner. Lovely, lovely, but loads and loads of sheetrock. All right, you can see that that's got to be a great window. It's going to have a bench seat. This is all a part of the kitchen. Right, there'll be a kitchen island. That is the bar here. This will be the sink. There'll be a big island here. But they have gotten past that mechanical stage. They just want to make sure that there's no additional wiring, and they're going to put these walls on. This is, oh, this is the pantry. Yeah, this is the pantry. Okay. We have the owner's retreat on this hallway. Here's the owner's retreat. Okay, very good. Got a bathroom there. Double sinks. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the love. All right, we're gonna have a big old garden shower. He was not interested in having a tub. This builder, you can specialize and you can get a tubs and showers. He wanted the big bench, so it's gonna have a bench in it. Like that's going to be where the toilet is. This is the walk-in closet. Great floor plan. Love this floor plan. Right. This room here, you can use it as a media room, right? You can use it as a media room. It can be an additional bedroom because you see there's a bath that adjoins it. So lots of ways to configure. Lots of ways to configure this house. All right, and then this is the This bedroom here, it can be a study, right? This can be a study or a bedroom. This is where he will make his study. So he'll have 3 bedrooms and a study. A really great floor plan. All those mechanicals, and you can see the AC. The AC is already up there. All the vents are in. You can see where the vents will be coming, but you can see that system up there. All right, lots of intricacies in building homes, right? And there's that swing car garage, so he'll be able to park every day. He'll be here in the laundry room. Now this floor plan. All right, great covered patio. I know it's south back here. I'm not gonna step off there, but it's gonna have a really great covered patio. You see that gas connection there. But they're getting after it. The builder is getting after this one. This one will probably be the first month or two in December. I'm sorry, in 2023. This will be a 2023 completion though. Ooh. All right, but they've been having the stone here for a while. Right, they've had the stone here probably for 2 months or so. This stone has been here ready. The brick have not arrived though. They still haven't gotten the brick, but they do have the stone. So you're gonna have a stone and brick elevation. They're getting after it. All right, guys, y'all have a great one. Bye for